Did you know Saturn is named after a Roman god? It's true, this sixth planet from the Sun, known for its breathtaking rings, carries the name of the Roman deity, Saturnus. In ancient Roman mythology, Saturnus was the god of agriculture, wealth, and periodic renewal. His reign was marked by prosperity and peace, a golden age of plenty and tranquility. But let's take a step back and travel east to ancient Greece. Here, Saturn was known by another name, Cronus. Cronus was the leader of the Titans, ruling during a golden age. Despite their different names, Saturnus and Cronus share striking similarities, both symbolizing time, prosperity, and renewal. These associations have flowed into our modern understanding of the planet Saturn, symbolizing time with its slow orbit around the Sun. So the next time you look up at the night sky and spot Saturn, remember you're looking at a celestial object named after a powerful Roman deity. Saturn isn't just a regular planet, it holds a distinct place in our solar system. Picture this, you're on a trip around the Sun, passing by planets. After the first 5, you arrive at the 6th one, the majestic Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, only dwarfed by the mighty Jupiter. Now Saturn is not like our home planet, Earth, it's what we call a gas giant. This means that, unlike Earth's rocky surface where we live, walk and build, you can't stand on Saturn. It's not solid. Instead, it's mainly composed of helium and hydrogen. Imagine an enormous ball of swirling gases and you've got Saturn. From a distance it may seem solid, but that's far from the truth. Saturn's enormous size and gaseous composition make it an intriguing planet, different from the rocky planets we're more familiar with. Saturn's rings are its most recognizable feature, but did you know they're not solid? That's right. These celestial halos, painting a portrait of serene beauty in the night sky, are not monolithic structures. They are an enchanting dance of minuscule particles, each spinning on its own axis while collectively orbiting Saturn. Journeying into the heart of these rings, you'll find they are composed of a myriad of particles. These particles aren't just ordinary specks of dust, they are pieces of ice, dust, and rock, each individually suspended in space. Some of these particles are so tiny, they're smaller than a grain of sand. Others, though, are colossal, standing taller than the highest skyscrapers on Earth. Together, they form a symphony of light and shadow that stretches across hundreds of thousands of miles. But the grandeur of Saturn's rings is as fleeting as it is breathtaking. Saturn, like a celestial siren, is slowly reclaiming its rings, drawing them in with its gravitational pull. This process, a sort of cosmic erosion, was confirmed by the Voyager 1 and 2 missions. These particles are gradually falling back into Saturn, creating a dusty rain of ice particles under the influence of the planet's magnetic field. Over time, Saturn's rings are diminishing, fading like an echo in the vacuum of space. The rings of Saturn, though transient, have been a part of the planet for at least hundreds of millions of years. They've witnessed the birth of species on Earth, the extinction of the dinosaurs, and the rise of humans. They've seen the first steps of Neil Armstrong on the moon, and they'll likely witness many more milestones in our journey through the cosmos. Saturn's rings may be ephemeral, but they are undoubtedly one of the most beautiful sights in our solar system. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, let's appreciate the transient beauty of Saturn's rings and strive to understand their secrets before they disappear into the mists of time. From a great white spot to potential diamond rain, Saturn is home to some truly unique phenomena. Let's take a closer look at the wonders this gas giant holds within its swirling clouds. One of Saturn's most captivating mysteries is the Great White Spot, a colossal storm system that's been appearing approximately every 30 years since it was first spotted in 1876. This isn't your typical storm, it's a tempest that spans the entire width of the planet. Imagine a storm on Earth that engulfs an entire hemisphere, from pole to pole. That's the scale we're talking about. The Great White Spot is a manifestation of the extreme weather conditions that exist on Saturn, a testament to the planet's dynamic and volatile atmosphere. Now imagine this, it's raining diamonds on Saturn. Yes, you heard that right, diamonds. Scientists speculate that Saturn's atmosphere, rich in methane, and the intense pressure could form these precious stones. The diamonds are believed to melt as they descend further into the planet's core, forming seas of liquid diamond and diamond bergs, literally a gem of a planet. Saturn's day, at a mere 10.7 hours, is less than half an Earth day due to its rapid spin. This swift rotation causes Saturn to bulge at the equator, making it 10% wider there than at the poles. In essence, Saturn is not a perfect sphere but more of an oblate spheroid. Adding to the list of Saturn's extraordinary phenomena are the storms at its north pole. Unlike any storms we know on Earth, these are blue and move in a hexagonal pattern. This six-sided vortex is yet another mystery that adds to the enigma of Saturn. Saturn is not just another planet, it's a world full of mysteries and wonders waiting to be discovered. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other secrets this gas giant holds? Stay curious and keep looking up, because the universe is full of surprises. If you thought Saturn's rings were fascinating, wait until you hear about its moons. Now, it's no secret that our own moon is pretty spectacular, but Saturn? It takes the cake with a staggering 62 confirmed moons. That's right, 62 celestial bodies orbiting around the gas giant, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries. Let's take a moment to talk about Titan, the largest of Saturn's moons. This moon is remarkable in its own right, boasting a thick atmosphere and lakes filled with liquid methane and ethane. Some scientists even speculate about the existence of icy volcanoes. Titan's unique features make it an object of fascination for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. Saturn's moons, each with its own unique features and characteristics, contribute to Saturn's uniqueness in the solar system. From the tiny moonlets to the colossal Titan, each moon adds a new layer to the captivating story of Saturn. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel.